Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Energy makes this fast to solve because the sled already has kinetic energy and gains more as gravitational potential converts on the way down. Because friction is negligible, mechanical energy stays constant from top to bottom, so the total energy at the start must equal the total energy at the end. That's the whole game. At the top, the sled has gravitational potential energy, mgh, and also initial kinetic energy, 1/2 mv sub 0 squared, since it is already moving before descending. Taking the bottom as zero potential, all starting energy becomes kinetic there, so the bottom kinetic energy is mgh plus 1/2 mv sub 0. Well done! Option D, scan now. The trap is rushing signs or ignoring given motion.